Some people are real Judas. Judas never just there in the Bible alone. I never around Jesus alone. Judas is an example. No, dog. Me not have nothing to worry about, dog. Some of the time when you are worried about coming like a nothing, and then you have to realize, say, yo, dead. And where you got you in shit, because they must say, you want to cost life, no cost nothing at all, my God. You feel like me, I deal with me, G. And me, dead, I mean, I'm look at feelings, and I put up my status, and I tell them, say, oh, boy, I feel depressed and thing. Then yesterday, when I look on pink wall, I see them kill the little girl and her baby, and I say, Jaja God. I say, look on them, the heartbreaking moment. They I tell you about 20-year-old little girl. You understand? I deal with me, G. I not say me depression and shit, but you feel me, I say, yo, damn, how sad can that fucking be? You feel me, I did, at least me not have that to deal with, but again, me glad say our mother have that to deal with, our family, I'm sorry, say the little baby have to go that weird, and Jano, oh my God, the two of them innocent bad man, you understand me, I did, so, but then you look upon it and you say, yo, bad man, so much more depressing things out there in the earth, dog, than what you initially have got through. Not saying you have got through and shit need that too, you know. But boy, some heartbreaking thing. When you hear about them thing they have here, they say, oh, Jano, dog, bumbuckler, them the thing that really bad in our life, you see me? Yeah. Nigga, I ain't smoking nothing, bro. I ain't smoking a damn thing. I'm asking these people to buy me a joint. Ain't nobody buying me shit, nigga. Ain't nobody buying me a damn thing, boy. Nope. Hell no. I may have Zell too. Yo, me put up my Zell. Come, Lyric. Since you asked me, you have my brother, sister, sister. Come. Alright, Lyric. Hold on. Let me put up. Is it there? Lyric. I'm glad, you know, because I know say I'm a rich sister, you know. You see me? So you put up the cash up and the Zelle, because I know you're well rich. Zelle? You know, say you're Zelle kind of worker. You see me, I did? Yes, I'm rate you. Yes, I like rich people. Yeah, I feel depressed. I say I buy me something, I feel good. I need to buy your roadblocks so you can turn in your room with your game. Yeah, dog. And when you look upon how mankind wicked, and to realize your people you call friend and people you help. People you sit down and study right, that's why people you reach out to you sit. That's why I tell you some of you people, and I say you know too glad for help. Some of the time when you see some of your friends them suffer, when you make them suffer. You see me? That you big up yourself, man. You see me? Watch your prayer now. Some of the time when you see people suffer in a life and make them blood clots suffer, it don't sound good for say. It don't sound good for say, yo, you're in a position for help. Some of the time, you know for help. Because some of the time, the same gratitude you have in your heart become your demise. You understand what I say to you? Yeah. When you know when you harbor around and every energy when you harbor around in a family, when you have certain energy a road. You have some road friends, some people when you know where you live. Are your friend, but you don't know where you live, you don't know my wife, you don't know my pitney. You see me? When you feel quick to open on the doors to blood clot mankind. When you see pussy suffer and allow them, make them suffer because they don't know what they do in their life. Fear get for them blood clot repercussion. You see me? I say? Yeah, daddy. And when I look upon it and I say, more while I sit down and me as a person of my depression and me go through and I feel one certain way, you understand me? Anxiety and shit. And I say, oh, of course, that is an ailment. Of course, that is something to feel bad about. But when you look upon the other ailment, them like blood clot, human, will walk in your house, drink out of your fridge and yam off of your stove and creep out your pot them. turn on all your light them in your house and bathe in your bathroom. That a one ailment to me and tell you say, no for we can avoid but we still have it around here and them same people become a demise after a while. Because enough people want to see around with them and no friend dog. Enough people want to see around here and no friend. They put up with it. It's a difference. You see me I deal with some people there around me because they put up with it. Me don't want nobody around me to them put up with me because you rate a thing what me do. More you rate me, more you rate my family, rate me to a point you wouldn't hurt me or hurt nobody around me. You see me? Loyalty in your family. And everybody have loyalty. Not because the whole I want to say same thing. Means our loyalty there. So enough people come around you for hurt you. Enough people only come around you for hurt you. You will swear things to them come around you for help you. Some people come around you for dead and until they say, yeah man, I like to see you make it in a life. None of them not like to see a blood clot make it in a life. Mankind heart, bad mind. Some same people you know from them long time there. People where you think could I'm glad say you do better than one kill you because what you do what them want. You see me I say? Only enough to glad to have human being around, you know. And every energy a good energy. And every energy you carry now not dwelling. That's what I tell people, you see your house, that is your peace. So when you walk through them there, door there, 1, 3, 4, any amount of door you have in your house, you in yourself. If you look by yourself and say, I'm peaceful in here, so no matter what the blood clot did go on out the road, when you come in your house, you're peaceful like a ras. Because guess what now? You know this year the dwelling of my one. No energy in that one, I want. You see me? Pretty now. Yeah, dog. I want you to look on it, you have to just know. You see me? Yeah, baby, show them somewhere, close the door and put your clothes on. Anything I can fit you. Put it in our car, close the door and watch your TV. Please. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I want your friend come pretend it. You're not even just the one them will kill your daddy. You have all the people come in your yard for your business. And when you tell them your business, then go back on road, go tell everybody. You have some people come in your yard, come plan up with people for murder you. You have people send people in your yard who know you for murder you. That's how you go. A life. I just saw life going on, daddy. You have to just know, say, yo, and everybody you bring on your yard, your yard. You understand what I deal with? Because you can't trust a person, you're like, whoa, you know. I trust somebody with my head back. The younger somebody I trust with my head back and my ear. Hunger me ear alone. See me ear there? I eat alone, me can't trust back at me. Because it go always dead. You see me I deal with nobody have your head back, man. They want to kill you and you pitney them. I saw your world run. I saw them people are still. The amount of time when I see friend I kill friend. Friendship nowadays no mean nothing. Friendship no mean nothing. Friendship no a braffing. And who can buy the most buckle in a party. That a friendship. I don't know, wholeheartedness if you say, yeah, I love that brother you want to have him in my corner. I look on him as a brother. I look on his wife as my sister. And then look on daughter as my niece. No. Some people are real Judas. Judas never just there in the Bible alone. I never around Jesus alone. Judas is an example to all of us that there's always that one, sometime two, sometime even all three Judas in your circle. You just have to know, say, yo, in a life when you are pre-earth, look out in the earth and you say, yo, Jano, you know, say every story where you can look on it connected in a certain way. Why some people have the same kind of, yo, you know, say me they go through that too, yeah, because our world is a cycle. Same way like how Jesus did have Judas. The whole we have Judas in a few circle, but then just name different paper. Some of them are Ashley, some of them are Kevin, some of them are Dave, some of them are, yeah, and all of them are going to name Judas. Judas I just did for Jesus one. Our Judas, them have different name.